Caliber Collision is the nation's leading collision repair provider, utilizing the latest technology to restore vehicles back to manufacturer specs. In 2021, Caliber Collision made the decision to open a location in the City of Sanford, and we couldn't be happier. So let's find out more about this business.
Caliber Collision is a Texas-based company. Their goal is to be the collision center provider in each of the communities which they serve. To most people, when they think of getting in a car accident, they believe they go to this shop where there's going to be a guy with greasy hands waiting for them. Caliber Collision is all about changing the atmosphere, changing the comfort level for anyone who comes in to get their car fixed, feel comfortable leaving their vehicle with us, knowing that they're in the best hands. The typical process is you'll be meeting our front desk office girls, and they'll be greeting you with a smile, some popcorn and some water. After that, we find out what is the best way to serve you. If you're looking to pay for something out of pocket, if you're looking to go through an insurance company, we find all the information necessary for you guys to do as little legwork as possible. Once we received your vehicle, we do what's called a check-in. We'll walk the vehicle, mark with a marker all the visible damage that we see to make sure that we cover everything and every one of your concerns when the vehicle gets dropped off. After that, we bring it into the shop and we do what's called a complete disassembly. We take apart the vehicle part by part and lay it out in a mapping area. Once we get the vehicle disassembled, the vehicle goes through the repair process. Bodyman's either waiting on parts, repairing panels, measuring or setting up the vehicle. After the process is done and all parts are here and repairs completed, they go over to our paint department. Our paint department now reassesses the repairs done by the technician to ensure that all quality is up to the right level. Then once it passes their approvals, they'll prime, prep, and prepare the paint cycle. Once the vehicle is now painted, it goes back to the body technician for full reassembly. Caliber takes much pride in having all the updated equipment to be able to in-house calibrate all safety equipment such as braking systems, blind spots monitors, anything that helps you drive, make sure we get it safe for you to drive. Caliber's #1 concern is safety for its customers and safety for its technicians. Once it's all calibrated and finished, it goes through a final quality control process where myself or one of the teammates take a look at it. Once it passed our inspection, then we call you and have you come pick it up. Caliber Collision chose Sanford as a location because they wanted to be a part of the Beautify Sanford project, also because of Seminole High School and the program they have for collision repairs. We're looking for the next brightest stars in the industry, and we felt if we put locally, pretty much across the street from where some of these stars are working now, we would be able to partner with them, create programs for them to help them get the next leg into the industry, as well as Seminole State College, which is up the road as well. At the end of the day, our goal is to make you feel comfortable. We're repairing a vehicle you're in daily. You have to make sure you understand and you feel comfortable dropping off a vehicle in a place that has your safety in mind first. That's Caliber Collision's main goal, is to make sure we restore the rhythm of your life, get you back to the way it was before this accident happened.